Hello friends, welcome to the MPOnline channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe by clicking on this button. By subscribing our channel, you will get a notification of new video directly to your email inbox. Friends, if you like our videos, then please click on like button. You can also share our videos with your friends and relatives.
Hello friends, and a warm welcome to MPOnline channel. Friends, today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to speed up your slow computer by increasing the CPU speed. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to power up, charge up your slow computer. This tutorial is going to be very helpful for you if you are using an old desktop or an old laptop and you got to work on heavy softwares that requires heavy graphics like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Acrobat Reader, Corel Draw, or if you want to edit heavy video files in movie maker softwares like Camtasia or Filmora, etc. So today in this video we are going to learn how to speed up your slow computer, so please watch this full video. Okay, alright friends, so now let's start. First, click on your search box and type performance monitor. Okay, so this is the app that we are going to use. Now once you find performance monitor, just right click over the app and click on run as administrator. Okay, so this is going to open the user interface of this application. Alright friends, so we are here in the user interface of performance monitor. Once you are there, you got to click on this tab, data collector sets. Alright friends, so once you find data collector sets, you can click on this arrow right next to it. Once you click on that, it will expand this window. Now click on user defined. Alright friends, so now once you find user defined option, you can see this empty box right next to it. Just right click over it and now select data collector set and now put a name over here. So I'm gonna put CPU and now select this checkbox, create manually. Okay, and now push next. Alright, now you get these options. Alright friends, so now just put a check mark right next to performance counter, right, and next. Now click on add and wait for a while. Okay, now you can see now do not click on anywhere. You can see you are going to find this option processor, and now you would be able to see total all instances 0 1. The numbers could be vary, depends upon the CPU that you have in your computer. So like in this computer I'm getting 1, but you might get like 2 3 4 or up to 12. So like you are gonna get bunch of options. So alright, so you got to click on the maximum numbers available. So at the moment I have 1, so I'm gonna click on 1 and then I'm gonna push add. Alright, and now I'm gonna click on, now just scroll up a bit and then select process. Okay, now once you are there in the process, alright friends, so now you got to select process, and now you can see this small down arrow. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you got to select thread count. Okay, so just select thread count and click on add. Alright friends, so now just push next, and now you're gonna see these two options. Okay, you got to click on next, and then you get to see all these numbers. You got to click on next. Alright friends, so this is now done. You can see save and close option is already checked. You got to click on finish, and here you can see CPU and then the status stopped, but that's okay. You got to close out this window. So we are done with this step 1. Now you're going to follow the step number 2. Just open system utility msconfig and then open and run as administrator. Alright, now you got to click on boot. Okay, and then click on advanced options. Alright friends, so now here put a check mark right next to number of processors, and then select the maximum number. So I have number 2, so I'm gonna select 2, and then you got to push OK. Now once you do that, you got to click on apply. Alright, and then push OK. Now it's going to ask you to reboot your computer, so just click on restart, and once your computer restart, you're gonna see the difference. Your computer is going to be much faster, and it's going to be like way better, and you're gonna get rid of all the slowness of your computer. Okay friends, we hope that you like this video. Please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.